Here we've got two different types of electrical circuits. This first one, all of the components are arranged in one loop along one line. So it leaves the positive side of the power supply through the switch, through the three lamps, and then back to the negative side. This is called a series circuit, all the components arranged in one long line. This, conversely, is called a parallel circuit, and each lamp has got its own little branch, its own little route for the electric current to go through. So some current can go from the positive, go through this lamp and then back, whereas some can go along here and then back, and some can come along this way. So there are different routes or different roads for the electrons to travel. So this is called a parallel circuit, this is called a series circuit. There are advantages for a series circuit. So first of all, you can see that we can control it all very easily by one switch. It's a very, very simple circuit. So we have a very simple circuit controlled by one switch. And in this circuit, in this arrangement, the lamps aren't as bright. So in fact, the battery would last longer if you had a battery in here. So it uses less electricity in this configuration because the lamps are all slightly dimmer. This circuit here, the parallel circuit, is all of the lamps are brighter. If I switch them on, you can see, compare them with the series circuit, you can see that they're much brighter. So this is using the electricity much faster, but it does have advantages in that I can control each lamp by a switch. So if I only want one lamp to switch on, I can control each lamp in turn. Also, in this circuit, if one of the lamps blows, so if this lamp here, for example, becomes damaged and goes out, the other lamps stay on. Whereas in a series circuit, if one of the lamps is damaged, then all of the lamps will go out. So there are advantages and disadvantages to both circuits. Imagine as a Christmas tree lights, so fairy lights on a Christmas tree. This was a traditional arrangement, and if one of the lamps failed, you had to go through all of the lamps to find out which one had actually broken. Whereas in this one, this is what you'd have in a modern fairy lights in LEDs. If one of the lamps breaks, it doesn't matter, all the others stay on.